Welcome to Scan.com. We're the UK's largest private diagnostic imaging platform.
Sign up to our Clinician portal for your own dashboard where you can seamlessly refer your patients for diagnostic scans, track order statuses, and download the results. By referring your patients through Scan.com, it gives them the freedom to choose a location and a price that suits them. You can have multiple clinician logins for your practice and benefit from end-to-end visibility from referral to results. You can sign up for the referral portal by following the instructions on our website. We'll ask you to review a short term sheet and agree to the terms of the referral portal contract.
After these 2 simple steps, you're ready to make your first referral.
Log into your referral portal dashboard and select New Referral. We'll ask you to provide some details about your patient so that we can contact them about the referral. Select the modality and the body part to be scanned and provide any relevant clinical information.
And that's it. Complete your referral. Once you've completed a referral, your patient will receive an email from us. They'll be able to access our booking platform where they can choose from over 150 scanning centres nationwide, view and compare prices, and choose the option that suits them best. Please watch our accompanying video for patients to find out what they'll see. Our team of experienced clinicians, which includes GPs, radiologists, review every referral to ensure all scans are medically justified. They'll complete the referral or offer your patient an alternative scan when necessary. After the scan, you'll receive an email alert that your patient's imaging report is completed.
You can download the report or request copies of the scan images, all within your dashboard.
Get started today by visiting our website. Thanks for watching.